Hello, my name is Paul Furtak. I am CEO of the NETx automation company. We are from Austria and we are providing all-in-one solution for building automation systems. Our products can be used in many different systems and projects, like very small projects, but can be scalable up to 10 million starter points, so you can manage even smart city parts with our server solution. You can see we are able to connect KNX, ParkNet, Modbus and much more different protocols together to make possible to link it together, use the functionality, all of them on the server level, put a logical functionality to them and provide the functions to save the energy and provide the cost reduction to many of the projects. Our system can be used also for hotel management system. We are a company that our products are used in many hotel projects worldwide, where we can provide guest management system connected to web interface. We can provide bring your own device system. It means the guest can come to hotel, can scan QR code and get connections to local room functionality. In that way, he can control all smart systems in hotel room. On the top, we are also providing a cloud portal solution. This cloud portal solution make possible to control all of the local installation from the cloud. The integrator has the possibility to use it to get overview of all installed systems and also to manage possible issues and have the possibility to control the system locally to make installation, to update the system, to provide additional functionality in that way. Our visualization is almost unlimited. You can add your own graphical elements, you can design your own buttons, own graphics. Our customer, our integrators has done it in such different ways. You can see how it can be used. Even the small industrial projects can be controlled by our software. Our software is also used for lighting controlling system. We are connecting to daily lamps system and make possible to control very huge installations. Some examples: our system is used in some airport projects worldwide and can be combined with more and more systems, like Honeywell system can be connected to Schneider Electric systems and can provide functionality in that way to different subsystems on the building level. Okay, you will find more information on our web page. Go just to the netxautomation.com web page and you will get a lot of different information, possible cooperations, ways, free of cost demo software, and we are providing a support also directly from our website.